Da hiad is 100 kilometer agus 9 uur in híide van Helenin.
66 fathom.
Ha brahar mór Kevin, Adam, is siad tuaristal mór.
Right off the bow now.
Okay, I got you. First pot.
Femi Adam caú luach $50,000 de chrúbach an hudus show.
Let me know if I gotta put it in reverse.
The expense is probably about 7,000, so.
Make sure the rope's not around the prop.
When you come back from less, you're making a hole, so.
Hij haast Karen Angeloch en ik ga hier daar maar.
I think there's something in it this time. Needles coming right up.
Here it comes.
Pull, 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 pull. That feels good.
Yeah.
Als straight doelie het is, hang ruim met jedig hal a lot of crubakken.
That's it. That's all, man.
What nice crab.
Good job, Captain. Oh, oh man.
Goed, je kunt a lot of skip at the heat store smooretje.
Yes, see, clean. Really nice, huh?
That's clean. Clean grab.
You can let her go. Is everyone happy now?
I could cry, I think. Yeah.
Feeling pretty good.
Ach had je orstan Adam en Toshke kehu, maar is had je ku Jesse heetje.
Crabs coming. Smaller, huh?
Yeah.
Not as good here.
Han a crubakken a faste scanje.
Look at that. Maybe that's why there's no crab here. Give me that lobster. What? I love lobster. Normally, wherever there's lobsters, it puts the run to the crabs. Probably going to go in the hole about $5,000. I got a lobster.
I don't know if it's the bait I put on or the water depth.
Wow. Oh my God.
We started the day with 3 crates of trap, and now all we're getting is 3 crab a trap.
They're not here.
Gunach me gastel in loch get board, ha Adam en Jenna kagunach.
So far, north is better, so gotta move it.
Hij het al los het de hele klier de hike Jess kutua.
Mostly all of them, yeah.
Barach unie agus een hele konnie. Ach ze korre me houden de jemes Adam en Goal.
Just gotta follow your instinct and don't double guess yourself.
I'm not coming back empty-handed again.